This is a 2014 Dodge Caravan, but this might work with other models. I bought this thing on Amazon Smart Key Solution. I will put a link in the video description, but we're going to see if this works. So basically what this allows you to do is it's a kit that lets you take your original key and duplicate it to a spare key. And the way that works is, well, we'll follow the instructions and we'll see if it works. All right, so I'm going to start the car with the original key. That's what the instructions say. Once I do that, I'm supposed to put this OBD2 thing in the OBD2 slot, which is down here somewhere. Probably can't see it, but basically it goes, should be in there now. But once you hear the beep, you're supposed to turn off the car. You take out the old key. Now we're going to insert the new key from the kit and turn to the on position. But it says do not start. So I think that's the on position. Okay, so it says to wait 15 to 20 seconds, listen for a piece of music. The green LED should light up, indicating that the key programming is successful. It's lit up now with green, so supposedly it was successful. Let me take the key out of the ignition. So supposedly this should work now. We're gonna find out. And there you go. Starts up the car. So this kit was $60 on Amazon, and like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. So the last thing to do is to take this key out. This is a blank. So you push that little thing over and take this out, and then you have to go and get this key cut to be like the one that's in the back of this. So that's kind of your last step. But otherwise, it looks like it's working successfully, and I'm sure if you went to the dealership, they would charge you a fortune to do this. But hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.